But that as the world's population continues to grow, so does the amount of trash we produce.
Circling our planet is massive, fast and moving, and potentially dangerous.
That's still a complicated problem, both engineering-wise and money-wise. We're doing useful things in space.
30,000 pieces of space junk that are 10 centimeters across or larger. That sounds like a lot, right?
An arm is an example of debris that's going very fast and can go right through something. And that's pretty dangerous.
Orbiting up there, at least.
In news overseas, space satellites say that the scientists and other spacecraft orbiting the Earth, including the International
Space lasers, nets, and harpoons. Cleaning Orbit 101. We took the most beautiful part of the universe and littered it. Outer space used to be majestic. Stars, galaxies, infinity. Now it's full of screws, bolts, paint chips, and dead satellites flying faster than bullets.
Forms of dementia that destroys our nerve cells. And this is extremely concerning.
Humanity's basically turned Earth's orbit into the world's most expensive trash ring.
Staged rocket bodies and even flakes of paint. The space above Earth is becoming increasingly dangerous.
Intro, we made space dirty. Again, orbit's now a cosmic landfill. There are over 27,000 trackable objects up there, plus millions more too small to see. So now scientists are panicking, like, we should clean it up. And what did they come up with? Lasers, nets, and harpoons. Because nothing says cleanup like medieval weapons and zero gravity.
The European Space Agency is taking steps toward cleaning up a junkyard, the one that surrounds and orbits Earth.
Space debris is now a well-established problem. Around 70% of the 20,000...
Chapter 1. The Laser Broom. The laser broom is real, a massive ground-based laser that shoots pulses at debris to slow it down so it burns up in the atmosphere. Sounds peaceful, right? Nope. It's a literal space death ray. Japan's got one. Europe's got one. The US swears they don't have one, which means they probably have 5. They call it a broom, but it's sweeping with fire. It's the same logic as burning your trash and calling it minimalism. Imagine aliens flying by, watching Earth aim a laser cannon at orbit. What are they doing? Oh, cleaning up. With a gun? Yes, a light-speed gun. Chapter 2. The Space Net. Then there's the Space Net. It's literally a net that catches garbage. Astroscale, ESA, and startups are building satellites that throw giant nets around junk. It's Spider-Man in orbit, but clumsier. One test mission actually missed its target and became debris itself. The janitor became the trash. It's like a Roomba that exploded halfway through cleaning. You tried, you failed. Now you're a part of the mess. Chapter 3. The Space Harpoon. Now for the wildest one, the Space Harpoon. Someone said, what if we hunt satellites like whales? So Europe built a literal harpoon satellite that shoots a metal spear into debris. And it works. It's stuck into a rocket part like a kebab. But if you miss, congrats, you just launched a new weaponized javelin into orbit. Now your cleanup mission is a flying spear of death. Chapter 4. The Claw Machine. Of Doom, Switzerland's ClearSpace One is developing a robot claw that grabs debris and drags it down to burn. It's basically one of those arcade claw machines, but each grab costs $200 million, and failure means international conflict. Oops, sorry, didn't mean to grab your spy satellite, China. It's like a cosmic game of operation. One slip, and everyone explodes. Chapter 5. The Space Vacuum.
Exploration has led to a significant amount of debris floating in outer space, increasing the risk of collisions. The Biden administration is looking...
The problem of space junk can be solved in 2 ways, says Luisa Innocenti, head of the European Space Agency.
Something ancient is racing through our skies. It's older than the sun, stranger than any comet, and it's rewriting what...
Humans have really cluttered up the cosmos. It's estimated we've left behind over 100 million pieces of space junk.
The first option is about using a net to catch this debris, and the second is the use of robotic arm. The idea is that
someone actually proposed a space vacuum, as in a literal vacuum cleaner in space. I'd like to remind everyone that space is already a vacuum. That's like inventing a submarine for water, or selling a fan to the wind. Even if it worked, what's it sucking up? Nuts? Bolts? Elon Musk's car? The only thing it's cleaning is your wallet. Chapter 6. The Cleanup Bill. Cleaning orbit isn't cheap. Removing 1 kilogram of junk costs $50,000. There are millions of kilograms, so unless Jeff Bezos donates his ego, we're broke. Some companies even talk about subscription cleanup. $9.99 a month. We'll vaporize 1 satellite. Netflix for trash. What a time to be alive. Chapter 7. The military's favorite project. Every cleanup tool doubles as a weapon. Lasers can blind satellites, harpoons can capture them, nets can disable them, and the claw, don't even ask. We're just cleaning, they say. Sure, just like the mafia takes out the trash. We're one diplomatic argument away from the first orbital bar fight. Who shot down my GPS? Wasn't me, it was the broom. Chapter 8. The Irony. We built thousands of...
From space! There's a lot of junk in space, almost 500,000 pieces of it according to NASA. The space junk isn't just floating around either. It's moving at space.
And second way, we have to remove the garbage, if you want. The
base. Vast, infinite, but not as empty as you might think.
The Earth satellites trashed space, and now we're launching more satellites to clean it up. It's like spilling coffee on the carpet and cleaning it with wine. There's an actual phrase in aerospace now. Active debris removal. Sounds noble, right? It's just humans saying, oops. Chapter 9. The AI Nightmare. Next up, AI cleanup bots. Small, self-driving drones that chase debris. Great idea until they malfunction. Sir, the bot mistook our space station for garbage. Fire it. We did. It's coming back. We're one software update away from Skynet with a Swiffer. Chapter 10. The Future. So the future of space cleanup? Picture a cloud of lasers, nets, and claw bots all trying to clean faster than we can litter. It's chaos, but it's beautiful chaos. At this point, it's not about fixing orbit. It's about seeing how creative humanity can get before we blow ourselves up trying to clean a screw. The moral, we made the mess. Now we're inventing space weapons to clean it up. Humans, 10 out of 10 imagination, 0 out of 10 responsibility. When aliens visit, they'll see our orbit and say, nope. This is Orbital Secrets. Subscribe before the laser broom finds your Wi-Fi.